Akala ko kaya-kaya niya yan. Akala ko magaling. Di ba honor student yan? Ang taas kasi ng tingin sa sarili. Yan ang linyahan ng mga tao na hindi tayo bibigyan ng karapatan na mag-grow. Yan ang linyahan ng mga tao na failures lang ang nakikita sa atin. At yan ang linyahan ng mga tao na ginudge tayo because we never get the things we wanted the first try. Hindi nila nakikita how we hustle to achieve our goals, how we work hard to get the things we wanted, how we envision our future, and how we wanted to make our future better for our future family. Bigyan niyo po kami ng karapatan na mag-grow. Bigyan niyo po kami ng karapatan na mag-fail. Because I know once in your life, you also failed. And you know the feelings of failing. So stop judging and laughing towards other people's failure. Maybe it gives you satisfaction. It made you satisfied, but honestly speaking, and be true to yourself, it doesn't change your life situation.